If the reasons why you are kind because you want people to be kind to you, or you want to be kind because you want to be appeared kind to people, maka-burnout di ay ni siya. Mo na makaunahon na ta nga kapuya maging buotan oy tapos abusaran nagyapon ta sa mga tao, or kapuya maging buotan oy tapos bati ra gyapon ang tan-aw sa mga tao sa atua. The reason nga no ingon ana imong gibati because ang imong kasing-kasing nakadepende sa mga tao, and people are imperfect. People can be tired, people can get angry, same as you. You are not perfect. There are times kapuyon ka, there are times masuko ka. You are not always kind. Mao giingon sa 1 Peter chapter 3 verse 14 to 17 that our heart should only be rooted in God alone. If nakaroot ang ato ang kasing-kasing kung kinsa ang Ginoo sa atoa, we don't have an excuse not to be kind to people because everything we have is coming from God. Everything we are is coming from God. We are nothing without God. God is our everything. And that alone is enough reason for you to be kind to people. Dili dapat kita makadepende sa mga tao. Because again, you are imperfect, we are imperfect.